Hello everyone, today let's talk about shift oil seal. This oil seal is a shift oil seal. It applicable to DONGFENG heavy truck. And this size is internal diameter is 92, external diameter is 112.7. The sinker is 7.5. The color is red-brown and black. Material is rubber and there is metal. It has many following features. The first one is vulcanized at a low temperature with longer service life and more wear resistance, with high temperature resistance and good abrasion resistance, good structure, aging resistance, and oil leakage prevention. Mud-proof water, thin skeleton, and we also can provide the customer the service. We can customize this size and this color, this material, this type. We all can customize. If you are interested in this product, just send us our inquiries, and we also can send you the free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.